Well, good afternoon. Welcome to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we are going to go for a ride. Well, it has to be one of my favorite cars in the world. I own one of these. A 1969 Plymouth roadrunner. This one does not have its stock motor, as we will shortly find out when we go for our little test drive. Well, here we're ready at Ellingson Motorcars to go for a test drive in my absolute, one of my favorite cars, a 1969 Plymouth roadrunner. Has a beep beep horn, which they Chrysler purchased from Warner Brothers to use their roadrunner cartoon character. They paid a whopping $65,000 to do that. Not a whole lot of money at the time, but it certainly left a mark with a lot of folks. So anyway, here we have what we will probably call more of a resto mod car. The interior looks very stock. Even has a factory tachometer in this corner right here. This is a real U-code H car, which means that it actually started life as a roadrunner. It's a RM23. Started life with a 383 4-barrel. It currently has a Stroker 400, which is basically a 400 block with a 440 crank, and they call it a 451. Even has a Coyote Duster hood, which was another one of those options in 1969. This is what you call a complete, total restoration. Everything has been done on this car, underside, inside, you name it. The fellow actually has owned the car for over 25 years, and he is the second owner. Scott's got to get his used to his driving his roadrunner again. It is a very potent little motor under the hood here. It's got a very unique transmission. I've been told it is a Payson 4-speed, which means when you get into high gear, it actually becomes an overdrive transmission. The car itself has a Dana 60 with a 373 gears in it, but when you put it into high, it kicks that down to a little over 2.7. So this car gets 15 miles to the gallon, but it can get you there really fast if you want to. Smooth acceleration. It's got good rubber on it. It's got the fancier wheels on it. Yeah, it's interesting with a factory tachometer. The reason I'm a little biased about 69 roadrunners, I happen to have one in my garage that I have owned since I was 17 years of age, so I'm a little biased. Yeah, A4 paint scheme is the silver platinum is a pretty rare color. You just do not see very many of those in this color. Nice, smooth running, driving car. Goes down the road straight. Well, we're just about back to Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers. We have an indoor showroom of 100 plus cars. Everything from muscle cars such as this one, resto rods, street rods, bone stockers. We even have a limousine, a 1957 limousine that is currently on our sales floor. Our hours are Monday through Saturday from 10 until 5. You can visit us on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com. You can also visit our YouTube channel and smash us. You can also go to our Instagram site. Thanks for visiting, and hope to see you again next time.